if you want to be successful in life at gusto mo ma-achieve yung mga dreams and goals mo, you need to have this board. I'm Jones, and I help men conquer the fear of rejection. And dito pag-uusapan natin on how vision board can help you clarify, to gain clarity about your goals and actually achieve them. So, us people are very visual person. If we see it in our minds, we'll know that it's possible. Kung ano yung tawag doon, if you see it in your mind, then that is possible. Kumbaga, imagination ang limit. Sino nga yun? So yun, like diba, imagination yung limit. If you see it in your mind, then it's really possible. So, if you don't have a clear vision, a clear path for a clear kung ano yung gusto mong goal, is number one is you feel na wala kang gustong marating. Kasi aimless ka eh. Hindi mo alam kung ano yung goal mo, hindi mo alam kung ano yung gusto mong gawin sa buhay mo. Hindi mo alam kung ano yung gusto mo. So, every decision, every choice you make is parang wala lang, aimless. Bumato ka lang na kahit saan, kung may matamaan, edi yun na lang. So, with that one, if you feel aimless, so ba't ka pa babato? Ano yung purpose nun? Kumbaga, ba't mo pa gagawin yung isang bagay if wala namang purpose? So, ang mangyayari nun is magkakaroon ka ng lack of motivation. And lastly is, you will be unclear kung ano ba talaga gusto mo, kung ano yung mga deepest desires mo, kung ano yung mga gusto mong mangyari sa buhay mo. If nag-continue yon is you'll struggle to stay focused kasi nga wala ka namang goal, wala ka namang purpose. Number 2 is you may feel unfulfilled and stagnant. Kumbaga, andito ka lang sa level na to and hindi mo marating yung alam mong fullest potential na meron ka. Kasi alam kong nararamdaman mo yun. Asa man meron tayong nararamdaman na kutob na we are born to be something great, to do something great. Kumbaga, meron tayong laging gano'n na, puti, ano ba ginagawa ko sa buhay ko? Alam mo yung may guilt and shame na nararamdaman every time na gumagawa tayo ng bad habits. Yung gano'n. And number 3, your deepest aspirations will remain hidden. Kasi again, you always have that feeling of, I am born to be great. I am born to do something. I'm born to conquer things in life. Ganyan. So, in order for you to have a powerful tool for manifesting your goals, you need to be clear kung ano ba yung gusto mo. And in order for you to have a clearer vision or clearer picture kung ano may gusto mo sa buhay mo, is I want you to have a vision board. I want you to create a vision board. Ang vision board is a board that has pictures ng gusto mong mangyari. For example, gusto mo ng bahay at lupa, sports car, gusto mo ng Rolex, gusto mo ng 1 million sa bank account mo, gusto mo ng 6-pack abs. Ilagay mo yun sa vision board mo. Kumbaga picture. So, yung vision board mo can be digital or it can be yung physical, yung may board ka talaga, parang cork board na magpiprint ka ng picture, tapos ilalagay mo, ipipin mo yung mga pictures, magpiprint ka, tapos ipipin mo. Or pwede rin naman digital, magkaroon ka ng parang Canva, mag-edit ka sa Canva, and then ilagay mo sa isang board, malaking board. And then gawin mong wallpaper ng PC or ng cellphone mo. In that way, you remind yourself na ito yung mga biggest aspirations ko, ito yung mga gusto kong maabot. And I know it's possible when I just do and put in the work. So with that one, you will have a clear visual reminder of your goals na alam mo kung bakit mo ginagawa yung bagay na to. Alam mo kung ano yung purpose kung bakit mo ginagawa tong bagay na to. Number 2, you'll feel more motivated. It's because yun nga, di ba? If you're thinking of it, na-achieve mo na lahat ng mga bagay na nilagay mo sa vision board mo, hindi ka pa gaganahan to do things that are necessary to achieve those things. And lastly, you attract opportunities that align with your vision. So dito pala magkakaroon ka na ng sense of direction na kapag may pinesenta sa yung choices na ito mas align to sa gusto kong mangyari, so ito yung pipiliin ko. So hindi ka na nanguhula ano ba dito yung gusto mo. So if you have a clear vision, a clear goals, then sobrang easy na lang sa yung decision making. For example, inaya ka ng friend mo mag-bar or mag-party. And then itong isang friend mo inaya ka pumunta sa isang seminar in which align sa goal mo. So mas pipiliin mo to kasi alam mo kasi clear ka sa vision mo alam mo kung ano yung gusto mo So mas pipiliin mo tong mas magbe-benefit sa iyo. So yun lang, I hope you find this video helpful. I want you to make your own vision board in order for you to have clear vision and have clarity in your life. So yun lang. Let's go. I hope for your success, man.